Hello guys, my name is Ajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. Let's get to it. So now let's unbox the Apple Watch. First things first, I have to remove the paper. Okay. Throw the Apple. Okay, now. So, okay. So I open this flap and it opens. Now, the Series 6 watch is in here. Let's keep that aside for a moment. So what we have here, now this is the strap. So let's unbox the strap first. Okay, now so let us unbox the strap first. Okay. So there are some instructions here, and here is the strap, and there's an extra strap here. So this is the strap. Now let's move on to the whatever you call this thing, and here is the screen. I will just put that aside for now. And there is a wire, the charger actually. Yeah, so the charger. And now let's get to the mini screen. Okay, let's Okay, so here is the screen. Where's the strap? Yeah, okay. So I've now put the two bands together, and let me try wearing this. I have to figure out how to wear this. My table is a huge mess right now. Anyway, move it aside for a moment. So this is the strap I should remove. And the other strap. This is the extra strap, so I don't have to remove it right now. Okay. So now I guess it connects like this. I have no idea how this watch works. Now I have to figure out a way. Okay guys, so I have set up everything in the Apple Watch. Only thing I have not done is recording all the setup because my GoPro died. Anyway, so here's the wallpaper, the password, which I'll do now. Okay, so it's like a normal Apple Watch stuff, notifications, the wallpaper, and this is the Wi-Fi I'm connected to, how much percent it is at. So all the basic stuff, and here we get to the apps by pressing this button. And cool thing is that if you keep on rolling it zooms out, so that's cool. So there are many apps. I have to connect it to them. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Then yeah, that's almost it. There's like this new heart rate app. This one, the heart rate app. The light comes, and then there is this app called Walkie Talkie. Never heard of that. But okay. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and Happy New Year. Bye.